there, it's Megan with WTI, and anything that can potentially boost my health and wellness from the comfort of my own home is definitely a win for me. This 𝗪𝗏 Red Light Pro panel for sure falls into that category. I've especially appreciated having it through the long winter season. We have had so much stormy, windy, cold weather here. It honestly feels like I've hardly left my house. Because I've been getting so little sunshine, this panel makes me feel like I can get all the benefits of the light from the sun without the harmful UV rays. I really appreciate how sturdy it is and how solidly built it feels. I find it to be the perfect size and totally adaptable for full body use. I love how it comes with equipment for suspending it on any door in my house, so I can easily adjust it for treating specific areas of my body. I think the suggested treatment times that come with this panel are so short and very easy to fit into my busy schedule. My health is overall pretty good, but I do have some issues, and honestly, I don't think there's any of us nowadays that don't have something. For me, I have some anxiety, sometimes I have eczema flare-ups, some old injuries, and a lot of muscle tightness. I am really excited to use this red light panel to help me to manage these conditions and just support my overall wellness routine. I enjoy using it so much, and I find myself really looking forward to taking some time out of my day to use it. It's very relaxing, and as soon as I'm in front of it, I immediately feel less tension and muscle tightness. If you, like me, have been hearing about all the many benefits of red light treatment, well, this 𝗪𝗏 Red Light Pro panel is the perfect way to have it all from home. But that's just my point of view.